Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell about direct and indirect speech. Okay, so uh, when we know about direct and indirect speech, then one thing we have to keep in mind that we should know about tense very clearly. If we have any confusion regarding tense, then it will be difficult to learn narration. Okay, learn reported speech. Okay, so here what we find uh, in direct and indirect. So there are two parts. Okay, so one part we should know in direct speech, then the other part is what, indirect speech. In direct speech we find the uh, uh, as it is the words are given, okay, within inverted comma. The speaker's dialogue, speaker's speech is directly given in direct speech. And in indirect speech, whatever the speakers said, it is uh, said in indirect form. Okay, so we have to know some names here. Okay, so reporting verb, reported speech. Okay, which part is called reporting verb? So here he says I go there. The says verb, the first verb is called reporting verb, and I go there, this sentence is reported speech. So we'll see from the basic. Okay, so the first rule is that when the reporting verb is in uh, present and future tense. Okay, it may be simple present, it may be present continuous, it may be present perfect. So uh, present or future. Okay, so in the whole future tense may be there. Then what what changes will be there? There will be no changes of tense in the indirect speech. Okay, let's see. He says same sentence. I think I go there. So in the sentence, so this is a direct. Number one is what? Direct speech. So in the direct speech, we find the sentence is in the inverted comma, and here we find one comma after the reporting verb. So here it will be he says that he. So I will become he. He. Then so it is in present tense. And in present tense, so here the verb will be in present tense. He goes there. So this is indirect. Okay, so this is not difficult. So we'll see one future. So this is present tense. So here we find like this also in present continuous may be there. He has said I shall go there. Okay. He has said the same. He has said that he will go there. So we find no change of tense. No change of tense. Okay. When we find this is in present tense, it is present perfect tense. The reporting verb is in present perfect tense, and the reported speech, there we find there is no sense except this. With I we write shall, and with he we write will. This is the sense here. And we'll see the next one. He will say. I shall write a novel. Okay, so he will say, he will say that he will write a novel. Okay, so this is the first rule of direct and indirect. Okay, we'll go in the second rule. So here we'll see some uh, sentence of past tense. He said, I write a poem. So this is past tense. Okay. So in past tense, so there are many rules are there. Okay, when you find the reporting verb is in the past tense, then there will be many changes. So what are the changes? I'll tell. So one by one I'll tell. So let us see what changes will be taken place in this sentence. So he said, I write a poem. So this tense, this sentence is simple present. Okay. Simple present will be simple past. So this is the rule. So when we find the reporting verb is in the past tense, then simple present will change into simple past. So let's see. He said, I write a poem. He said that he wrote a poem. So this is the indirect of this. Direct, this is direct and this is indirect. So another we'll see here give I am writing a poem and writing a poem. So here it will be, he said that he was writing a poem. That means present continuous will be past continuous. Okay, so present continuous will be past continuous. Next, he said, I have written a poem. So here he said that he had written a poem. So here we find present perfect tense will be past. Okay, past perfect. Present perfect tense will be past perfect tense. He said, I have written a poem. He said that he had written a poem. Okay, so I'll give the another rule. I have been writing a poem. Okay, he said that he had been writing a poem. So here what we find, is present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. So dear students, I do not want to make the video long. Okay, you will see the next part of direct and indirect narration. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, then don't forget to like it. Okay, share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching it.